Hello English learners, my name is Alice and welcome to a new video, and today we're going to learn how to pronounce English vowels. There are 5 vowels in English language: A, E, I, O and U, and each of them makes minimum 2 different sounds. So let's start. The first vowel we're going to look at today is the vowel A. A. And the first sound that makes the vowel A, it's long A, like in cake, lake, brave, train, or face. If the vowel A is used in closed syllables, it will make the sound A, like in cat, apple, bat, bank, stand, or hand. If the vowel A is followed by consonant L or W, it will make the sound R, like in ball, call, small, fall, all, awesome. And the last one, if the vowel A is followed by consonant R, it will make the long sound R, like car, park, start, farm, or cart. Let's move on, and the next vowel we're going to look at today is the vowel I. I. If the vowel I is used in closed syllables, it's make the short sound E, like sit, fit, pin, lip, fish. However, the vowel I can make a long sound I, like in time, fine, drive, light, or price. The next our vowel is the vowel E. E. If the vowel E is used in closed syllables, it makes the short sound ah, like in rat, bat, pan, hat, or friend. However, it can make a long sound E, like in sea, deep, keep, tree, street, or read. If the vowels E and I are followed by the consonant R, they will make the same sound like like in verb, herb, her, bird, third, girl, or birthday. However, if the vowel E, if followed by the consonant R, is situated at the end of words, it will make the sound like in better, winter, farmer, father, river, under, or paper. Let's move on, and our next vowel is the vowel O. O. If the vowel O is used in closed syllables, it will make the sound like in duck, hot, top, box, or not. However, the vowel O can make the long sound O, like in boat, phone, home, rose, or alone. The vowel O can also make the sound like in love, come, some, month, or money. But if the sound O is used at the end of the words in a syllable which is not stressed, it will make the sound like in lesson, melon, nation, prison, or vision. The next sound that makes the vowel O when it's followed by the consonant R is a long O, like indoor, fork, morning, corn, horse, born, or storm. However, if we use 2 vowels all together and they are not followed by the consonant R, they will make the sound oo, oo, like in food, mood, moon, school, or pool. And our last vowel is the vowel U. U. And the first sound of the vowel U is the short sound like in bus, mut, cup, sun, or must. The second sound that makes the vowel U is the short sound U, like in put, push, pull, bull, or sugar. Why do we say put and not pot? I don't know. There is no any rules. We only need to learn them by heart, which words are pronounced with R and which words are pronounced with U. The third sound that makes the vowel U, it's a long sound, U, like in music, use, cute, muse, amuse. The fourth sound of the vowel U is It makes this sound when it's followed by RE, for example, picture, nature, or adventure. However, if the vowel U is followed only by R, it will make the sound like infer or furniture. This is the end of our video, and please remember that English pronunciation can differ depending on the accent you hear. I hope you found this video useful for you. If you want more videos like that, drop me a line. Bye bye for now.